Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. These two robotic vacuum cleaners are packed with advanced features, but which one is the better choice? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max is priced at $599, while the Roborock Q7 Max Plus comes in at $869. So the Q7 Max is more budget-friendly compared to the Q7 Max Plus. Both models boast a powerful 4,200 pascals suction, which means they can easily lift debris and pet hair from your floors. Additionally, when a carpet is detected, both robots automatically increase their suction to the maximum for deep cleaning. If you're looking for a robot that can vacuum and mop simultaneously, both the Q7 Max and Q7 Max Plus have got you covered. They offer 30 water flow levels, allowing you to fine-tune the cleaning process to match your floor types and preferences. When it comes to navigation, both models feature PreciSense lidar technology, which creates precise maps of your home. However, the Q7 Max Plus takes it a step further by allowing you to view the maps in 3D. You can even add furniture and floor materials to recreate your home virtually. Both robots have a combined dustbin and water tank, making cleaning more convenient. The Q7 Max and Q7 Max Plus have larger capacity bins compared to their predecessors, so you can clean more without worrying about emptying or refilling as frequently. In terms of brush systems, both models feature all rubber brushes that resist hair tangles, making them ideal for homes with long hair and pet hair. The brushes are designed to stay close to the floor for more effective cleaning on uneven surfaces. The Q7 Max Plus has an upgraded brush system with 4 planes of movement, providing even better cleaning performance. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. Both the Q7 Max and Q7 Max Plus can run for up to 180 minutes on a single charge, allowing them to cover a maximum vacuuming area of 3,229 square feet, so you can trust these robots to clean your entire home without interruption. Based on online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max has been praised for its mature and effective performance. It is recommended as a reliable and efficient product. On the other hand, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus has received positive feedback for its improved performance after firmware updates. It is praised for its laser mapping and app-based control. Both models have their own strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. While both models offer impressive features, the choice ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a more affordable option without compromising on performance, the Q7 Max is a great choice. On the other hand, if you want the added convenience of an auto-empty dock and an upgraded brush system, the Q7 Max Plus might be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.